The full moon's out. That means we gotta go. The werewolves are coming. That's why that werewolf is in the haunted house. He's coming to eat us. We gotta go. We finally made it out of the haunted house.
We ended up bringing the box with us.
We decided to take this box. We decided to take the box that we found inside of it with us. We need to figure out what's inside of here.
Wait, who's that?
Isn't that the werewolf that chased us?
Guys, I'm a little scared. I want to go home.
We gotta get out of here now.
Oh, don't push me. Oh my God! Oh.
What is that? Guys, let's go.
Come on, I want to go.
We found in the haunted house.
Ooh. The mystery box.
And
stay tuned, guys, because after the video,
we'll be doing another giveaway. Our final Bendy giveaway.
Away.
Okay, time for the mystery box. The creepy mystery box we found in the haunted house. Isn't it beautiful?
It's wonderful.
First, we shall take off the caution tape very gently. See, we are bad at listening to rules because we don't.
Yeah, just get this on. Goodbye.
Okay,
Are you ready?
Go!
It's another explosion box! And it's beautiful! Whoa, guys, look how much awesomeness is in here.
Guys, look how cool this is.
Wait, what's
Dude,
this?
there is so much
Guys, we have to open this
on
one.
over here. We have a Bendy and the Ink Machine buildable scene set.
Hallelujah.
Should I take this out?
Oh, wow.
Look how cool this is.
Hey guys, there's another tiny thingy over here. Yeah, pull that out. Let's pull this out. Wait, after.
Isn't that awesome? Next, we have.
Oh no.
We have a Bendy with a wrench GameStop exclusive. That is so cool. I'm definitely adding this to my pop collection.
I want to add it to mine.
What does it say in front
You'll
of it?
have
It says
one.
open, pull tab.
Okay.
Wait, Bendy, surprised I didn't even see this chocolate.
Wait, Livy's.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's awesome, guys. Look at that. It's a bendy fish that pops out at you because it creeps you out.
A ball. Just stick that back in. No one wants to see that. That's sad.
Anyway, moving on.
What else did you get?
We got
Whoa!
this. That's awesome. Oh, okay. I'm gonna open it.
Whoa! This is so cool!
Whoa.
It's a Bendy and the Ink Machine Bendy figure. It comes with
Look
an
out.
ink bottle
Look out.
and a Bendy stuffy
It's so cute.
with a Bendy action figure. With a Bendy action figure, of course, because Bendy, as we all know, is the main character and obviously the best character. Well, actually, my favorite's Boris. What's your favorite?
Alice Angel.
Yours?
Boris.
Comment down below what your favorite Bendy and the Ink Machine character is. Definitely Boris.
Boris.
Boris
Team
crew.
Alice Angel. If you vote for Alice Angel, then
dudes.
Team Ashley Angel. Same.
This is the explosion box.
We never opened these.
Look at every single cover. Every single cover, except for this bottom one over here with the action figure that the action figure was on. But anyways, every single cover has 3 Bendy blind bags. So that's 9 blind bags in total. That means each of us get to open 3. Oh, whoa, wait, they're different. Okay, so this one is, oh, these ones are Bendy Collector's Clips.
From Series 1.
Series 1 Bendy
What
Collector's
were we missing
Clips.
from that collector's clips collection that we
The
started collecting?
we are missing
The golden
2
Bendies.
figures. We are missing the golden Bendy and the Bendy figure. So let's hope that we get it today. Okay, you get that one. I'll get this one. And you get that one.
3, 2, 1.
And the next.
Why don't we just open those ones first?
Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Go.
I got Bendy with an umbrella. I got Steven Sheriff. Sorry, Lawrence, I mean.
And I got.
Wait, who did you get, Williams?
I got Sammy Lawrence.
And I got. Drum roll, please. Oh, Dead Boars.
It's okay.
We have all those 3
The
already, right?
anticipation, though. Like,
But hey,
no.
guess what, guys? We can add these ones that you already have to
Our giveaway.
That's
Another
right.
Bendy giveaway. So if you guys want this to be part of the giveaway, then comment down below. I'm just joking. Don't do that because we're still putting it in the giveaway. If you want it or not, we're doing it.
Too bad. It's already there.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Next.
Oh, okay.
This
We
one's
have. Wait, I didn't even introduce it yet. Wait. A Bendy in the ink machine. Oh, cool. These are Bendy in the ink machine buildable figures.
Build that ball.
Those buildable figures actually go with the buildable scene that we showed you at the beginning of the video. They go along with this.
Sorry, Gabrielle, can you pick
They're
that up?
sort of like a Lego character type of thing.
Okay, let's see who you guys got.
I got. I'm so
Okay,
excited.
and we got another 3 on this side.
I need scissors.
So you have 2 of those
We
each
have
to
2
open.
each to open.
Okay, guys, scissors are right here for me down. Ready? 2, 3, go. Oh, I got Bendy.
Oh,
And
Liv got Alice Angel.
I got Alice Angel. She's very pretty.
And I got.
Let's see yours, William.
No. Whoa, Ink Bendy. That's
Ink Bendy.
I think we get one with the set too, right?
pretty cool Ink Bendy. Okay, we got 2 Ink Bendies now.
Yeah, I'll show you guys. This is
And we
awesome.
have the Searcher.
Guys, let's move on to our second pack.
Creepy guy. I don't like the Searcher. He gives me nightmares.
Let's move on to our second packs because I'm too excited to wait for you guys. So I'm just
2,
gonna start.
1.
I got no head.
Where's his
He's
head?
decapitated. It's in here. Oh, let me guess. You got Bendy. Did you get Bendy? Bendy?
Oh, guys, I got Boris.
it was just in
Look,
here.
I got Boris.
No, I wanted Boris.
Where did you be?
Let's see,
Well, I
Boris.
give him to ya.
And I got Sammy Lawrence.
We got
Bendy. We've got Bendy. In the set, we have Ink Bendy, Bendy, and Boris the wolf. That's dead. So,
So
dead,
dead
Boris. Wait a second. We have every single character. We have Bendy, Alice Angel, Boris, Sammy Lawrence, Searcher, and Ink Bendy.
Ink Bendy.
We have every single character from series 1.
That calls for some confetti.
Whoa! We've got the additional, of course, Dead Boris, because he can't be found in the pack. He can only be found in the buildable set. So we have every single character. That is so cool. This is all the amazing Bendy and the ink machine stuff that we got tonight. And they're so cool, and I can't wait to use them, and I can't wait to build this Bendy and the ink machine buildable scene. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, our final Bendy giveaway. Since the new chapter of Bendy and the Ink Machine is coming out really soon, we decided to give out 2 Funko Pops. the Searcher Funko Pop, and the Projectionist Funko Pop, along with a Bendy and the Ink Machine iron-on patch with Bendy, Boris, and Alice Angel, a Bendy pin, a Bendy and the Ink Machine buildable minifigure, and the 3 clips that we said we would give away earlier on in the video. Sammy Lawrence, Dead Boris, and Bendy with an umbrella. In order to enter this giveaway, you must subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment down below which Bendy and the Ink Machine chapter is coming out on October 26th. Be sure to read the rules down in the description below to see if you're eligible to enter our contest. You have 10 days to enter, so get to it! Thanks for watching our video, guys! Bye!
Stay in the house! Come to me! Come to me!
No, it's evil. It's a werewolf. It's a werewolf dog.
I don't like werewolf dogs. Goodbye.
It's a werewolf in disguise. It's a puppy, so we open the door and then it eats up.